Listen, can we just get into this look right now? Like, I am feeling this look. Like, y'all, I'm still in shock. Listen, let's just get started. Hey guys, welcome back to A+Vibes, where motivation meets beauty meets lifestyle. I am Riquel Angela, and I'm back. That's right, with another makeup tutorial, but this time I wanted to focus on eyeshadow. I have this, this Masquerade Mini by JUVIA'S palette, and I honestly love the colors that come in this palette. And there's this, this new makeup creation, which is called like the cut crease. So I tried to do my attempt on the cut crease. I don't know if I did it right. Who cares? Because anyway, I am feeling this look. I really am, and I don't know where I'm about to go. I'm actually not going nowhere today, but I can look like it, right? I might actually have to test this look out outside of just me being in the house, because I loved how the colors just blended in. Listen, if you guys have an idea or just want to have fun with your eyeshadows, just do it. Have some fun, get creative. If you see an idea, save it and try to mimic it. It doesn't have to be exactly what you see. Create it however you want to do it. That's what I did. I came up with this and I was like, okay, it works. It fits me. I love it. And I want you guys to do the same. I don't want to talk too much more because I want you guys to see how I even achieved this eyeshadow cut crease makeup look. So go ahead and watch the video. Let me know what you guys think, because I am feeling this look right now. Okay. So new product alert. I am using the NYX Pigment Primer on my eyelids as a base before I apply my eyeshadow. So the first color that I will be applying to my eyes is the color Makita, and that's a purple shimmery color. It's more almost like a metallic type of color, but I'm applying that to the crease of my eyes. So the next color that I'll be applying to my eyes is the color Zobo, and that's almost like a magenta violet type of color. And I'm applying that right above the purple color, and I'm just kind of going to blend the two together so that way it blends together very nicely. Hold up, dance break, ow, ow, yes, ooh, get it girl. So the next color that I'm using is this black, and it's from Wet n Wild. I only use it whenever I kind of want to use like black, or if I want to do like a nice deep smoky eye. So I'm just applying that black on the outer corners of my eye, and I'm blending it in with that purple a little bit. So I decided to pack in a little bit of that pink color Zobo just around where that black is. I kind of wanted to add a little bit of color down there, make something pop. Y'all, when I say get creative, get creative. It's so many colors in this palette, and just have some fun with it. And I'll just be blending in. You guys will see me blend in those colors and making sure that they just transition nicely. So on to applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer to my lids. This is the part where I'm going to attempt this color cut crease part. So I will be applying eyeshadow on top of this concealer. So the next color that I'll be applying to my lid is the color Dea. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but I will be applying that color to the lid first. And then once I do apply that to my lid, I'll be adding on the color Geyser. Hey, I want to share a quick tip. If you guys are applying eyeshadow, or if you happen to apply makeup and you make some mistakes, use Q-tips to help clean it up. So I wanted that eyeshadow to pop a little bit more, so I decided to add the color Geyser on top, and that kind of just brightened it up a little bit, and it made it even more shimmery and more metallic. You can see I'm feeling that. So this is the end result of my makeup look, and from the beginning I know you guys already knew that I was in love with this look. Let me know if you guys are willing to try out this look. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any cool creative ideas that you guys want me to try, I'm down to have a little bit of fun. It's makeup, why not? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going nowhere, so I might as well take a bunch of pictures of this look. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great weekend.